Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2005 Toyota Tacoma SR5 V6. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. And as you can see, I'm getting the angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a great idea of what you're coming in to look at. But as you can see, it has the rear tinted windows. I'm sure if you guys are watching this, you understand that this is the new model. 2004 they had the old body style. This is a 2005. This is when they first year of the new body style. Again, just trying to get those angles for you. Tow pack. Bedliner. The tie downs. Rear slider. Be down on tire size here in just a second. Glare from the sun doesn't help my cause with the video walk here. There we go, get tire size in there. Fog lights. Alright, let's get to the condition on the inside. Power windows, power locks. Condition of the seats here. Get the passenger seat, best I can here. Get the back seats for you. Getting that rear slider. Nice feature, cup holders, whatnot. Alright, let's get to some features up front. The rear diff. Steering wheel volume, cruise control. Stock stereo. 4-wheel drive. AC blows cold. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Navigate this way in here, folks. There it is. Alright, now I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. Far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau. Our Google reviews, we hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. That's huge for us. But there's mileage there, as you can see. No check engine lights, nothing like that. Stereo for you. Again, AC blows cold. Alright, let's go back to the engine. Turn on some lights. You can hear it humming along here. Find the latch again. Alright. Turn along beautifully, guys. Hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video, walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give us a text or call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.